Hello everyone, welcome to Techies channel. If you want to learn Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level, then you are in the right place. This is the complete Excel course. I will teach you step by step in a simple and practical way. This Excel course is completely free in the YouTube channel. Whether you are a student, job seeker, office employee, teacher, or business owner, Excel is the most important skill for you have. Now we will discuss by the end of this course, you will able to create a spreadsheet, perform calculation, analyze data, create charts, use formulas and function, and also automation tasks. First, we can discuss what is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application which is developed by Microsoft. It is normally used for calculate, analyze, and visualize the complete data. Excel is normally used in the our day-to-day life that for example school, colleges, bank and companies also. With Excel, we can do store or manage data, create a professional charts or graphs, analyze large amount of data. Now let's start Microsoft Excel. So first we click on start button, then search Excel. After open the Microsoft Excel, we have the various type of template, that is blank workbook, event schedule, billing statement, blood pressure and various type of template are available which we are using directly by the template. Otherwise we are click on blank workbook. For new workbook we are click on blank workbook. Now first we understand the Excel interface, that is this is the Excel sheet. This interface is also known as Excel sheet. In the top we show the title bar which display the book name or the Excel name which we have saved, and after that there are the quick access toolbar where we can quickly frequently used for undo, redo and save. There is also another option, that is autosave. If autosave mode is open or autosave mode is on, then whichever data will be modified, then the data will be stored automatically. Next, we come to ribbon, which contain all tabs such as file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, and help. These commands are usually normally for quick access in the ribbon. The last grid is known as worksheet. Next, we discuss that about the column. Now, there are A, B, C, D. The horizontal label are known as the column and the vertical number are known as row. The total number of column in Excel is 16,384 and the total number of row in Excel is 10,48,576. Then we discuss about a cell. Now, if I click on a single box, that is A1, means this is the box name, that is A1, and this is a single box or we call as cell. In each cell has unique address, that is this cell have column A and row 1. If next row or next cell is I will click, then this box name is B1. So the box name will display in the corner. Next we discuss how to select a cell. To select a single cell, I use directly click on that cell. Now I am select B1 cell. After that I am clicking on C2 cell. That means I select a single cell. If I select multiple cell, then double click and drag up to wherever you want. If you want to select the entire row, then click on that row number. Now I am clicking on the row number 3 and the entire row will be selected. If we select an entire column, then click on A or alphabet, that is column alphabet. Now we discuss the font style. There are a font group. First we have a clipboard group. This is the normally a clipboard group. And next after the font group, next we have the alignment. Next we have the number group. Next we have style group, and we have cell editing. There are various type of group. First, we discuss about the font group. Now, we discuss the font group. First, there are the various type of alphabet design or alphabet style, which is normally used for to design the letter. Now, I am right LIT BBSR. After that, I want to change the design of this value or this text. First, I am click or select on that cell, then click on font style or font design. Next, I have design, choose this design. The design will be this. Next after, we have the font size, that is font increase or font decrease. First, I am writing that BBSR, the font text is very low, so I want to increase the size, so that I am increasing the size. After that, we have the decrease option, then we can decrease the size. After that, we have an option that bold. Bold means we can directly use Control B, otherwise direct click on B. I am writing BBSR and this one I want to bold, so click on B. Now the BBSR will be bold. Next after that, I have a italic value that I was right to, that is college. I want to change the college style, that is to be italic. So I am select the cell. If I am press the control I, otherwise click on I. Next the college style will be changed to the italic style. If I am writing if I am writing next room, I want to underline this topic or underline this cell, then the shortcut key is control U, otherwise I am press on U. Now we have there is a option that is border. There are various type of border are available, just like bottom border, top border, left border, right border, and no border. Also all border. There are various type of uses. There are various type of border are display but not highlighted. To highlighted a border, first select on that bottom or select on that space, then click on, then select on all border. Now the all border are selected. After that, there is a pocket symbol that is known as background color. Here I am writing BBSR. The background is white. I want to change to red. So I am click on the bucket symbol. Then I have to click on red. Then now the BBSR background is red, but the font color is same. Now I also want to change the font color. So I am click on A symbol. That is the use of font color. I am writing that white. White means now the font color was changed. In this, there are we use or you see that I have used background color and also the font color. Now we can discuss about align a data. If I am writing anything in a particular cell, that that is a data of the Excel sheet. Now I am writing that BBSR. This is a data. If I press enter, then the BBSR will be in the top. After that, there are various type of alignment are available. That is, this one is the top alignment. Next one is the middle alignment. Next one have bottom alignment. Next align left. Next center and align right. If I click on left alignment, the value will be in the left. If I click on the center, then the value will be center. Next, if I click on right, then the value will be in the right. If I click on top bar, next top, then the value will be in the top. Next, if I click on middle align, then the value will be in the middle. Next, if I click on the bottom align, then the value will be in the bottom. So there are various type of alignment we use. Then after we have a option that wrap text. There are a option that is wrap text. If anything writing in a particular cell, if the cell of content data is exit to another cell, then we use wrap text. For example, I am writing my name, that is Vishwaranjan Sahu. Now I am a write single data in C cell, but the single data have big length. So the C and D have a particular length. So I want to write only in the C particular length. So I click on C. Then I am using wrap text. After wrap text, the length of the cell will be constant. After that, we have a value is merge and center. We have a value that merge and center. There are B group or C group. I want to combine this cell. Now, if I am writing anything, this will be separated. But after that, I have a option that merge and center. After that, I am writing anything in the B and C group. I am writing my name. Now the entire data will be displayed in B and C column. So we use merge and center. Now whatever we read in these videos that we see in a single example, that is create a student mark sheet. I am adding a heading or header, that is first roll number. Next after I am adding that the name of the student. Next, I am adding some subject name, that is math. Next, after science. Next, after also English. Next, after I also calculate the total value. Now, I am adding some the student data. I want to first merge a cell and top header, that is the mark sheet. Now, I am merge the entire data, merge and center. I am writing that student data. After that, I am writing the student information, that is roll number 1. Next, name is Ram. Next, he scored that in math 10, in science 9, and English 5. Then after, I am writing roll number 2. Next after, the name is Syam. The math value is or math number is 9. Next after 7. Next after 5. Then the student number is 3. Next, the student name is Biswa. Next, the math value have that 5 or 7. Next, the science value have 8 and the English value have 0. Then we have to first, there are various type of data are writing in various design, but we want to a single design. First, there are a border, but there is no showing. So first we select that particular area and add all border. Now the border will be show or border will be display. After that, I want to change this all the value to bold. So I click on B or bold. Next, there are not suitable for me. So I want to everything or every subject or every name will be in the center. So I click on center. Now it is fine. Next, the student data. There are the student data, but it is not good for me. So I want to change his font design. There are various type of font design. This is good for me. So I am writing student data. But in their student data, there are various type of data, but the data will be displayed some of our right side, some of our left side. So I want to all the data in the center. So I select, next I click on center. There are the total values. There are, I am using sum, that is equal to, next I select that D3 plus, next E3 plus, next F3. Next, if I press enter, then the total value will be calculated. So after that, sum also the number value I want to calculate it. So once I after rounding the value, there are the formula bar. This bar also known as the formula bar. In formula bar, everything will be displayed in the formula bar, whatever the in the background. So in this, the formula bar will be displayed whatever the right. So next value is I want to copy this file, and is have drag and drop, then the value will be displayed automatically. Next, I want to change the student data of heading background color. So I select that student data and I change to some background color. Now I have a green color which is suitable for me. Now I am select the data, student data. Next, after roll number, name, math and science and total value, that I want to the font style or font color. So I want to change any font color that is which is good for me or good for you. Next, we have to change the everything of the value. So in the next video, we will learn Excel formulas where we'll perform calculation using operators and understand how formula works in Excel. If you enjoy the lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techizen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.